If you have ever promoted a video on TikTok using the promote feature, I have news for you. Bro, you have been scammed. Hey guys, it's the eCommerce here, and in this video I'm going to show you why you should stay away from TikTok promote and what you can do instead to promote your videos on TikTok for a lot cheaper while getting more views and sales. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1, yeah! Alright, so let me show you what I mean by the TikTok promote feature. So when you're on your TikTok account and you select a video, let's say for example this one, when you click on the 3 dots, you're gonna see some options. One of them is gonna be promote. When you click on that, it's gonna give you a few options to promote your video, like more video views, more product purchases, more followers, more messages. So already half of these options are pointless, all right? So more video views, come on. Are you trying to be popular or are you trying to make money? So never select that one. Then more product purchases, maybe. And then more followers, pointless. Followers don't mean anything on TikTok, all right? You can have 100,000 followers, post a video and only get 1,000 views. And then you also have more messages. Maybe if you're trying to get some leads, maybe you could use that, but I don't like any of these options. I'm gonna show you a better way later, but let's go with the best one out of all of these, which will be more product purchases, because it's something that we can actually measure the return on investment. So let's go with that one and click on next. Now we're gonna define our audience. So let's create a new audience. Let's give it a name. Also, let's select the age and gender. We're gonna keep all genders and we're gonna select ages from 18 to 54. That's good. Click on save. Now let's choose the location. We're only gonna post it on United States. That's good. Let's save it. And now the interests that you can select here are very, very broad. So I am trying to sell activewear. So I'm gonna choose the interest of sports and outdoors. So let's click on save. And you can see that the size of our audience is between 70 millions and 85 million. So it's extremely wide, but we can't really narrow it that much more. So let's click on save. And with our audience selected, we're gonna click on next. And now we're gonna choose the budget and the duration. So we're gonna spend $10 per day for a total of 7 days. And now on the overview, we can see that the subtotal is $70. And we already had a coin balance of $8. So the total should be 61. But you can see here that we actually need to pay $89. And that's because we have the Apple service fee. And the Apple service fee is 30%. So that's crazy, right? You're already losing 30% just by using TikTok promote feature on your phone. Obviously, I'm not gonna pay through my phone because I don't want to overpay 30% from the get-go. So what we're gonna do is first purchase the coins and then we can use it on our promote, which is not even the best way to do it. I'm gonna show that after, but just if you insist on using the promote feature because it's very convenient, here's how you can get the 30% off. So you're gonna go to this website, tiktok.com/coins. And here you can pre-buy the coins, all right? You can select the quantities that you like. And just so you can see how much you're saving, let's go to our phone and try to buy the coins through our phone because you can also do that. So let's go back to our TikTok app on our phone and we're gonna click on the hamburger menu. Now here you're gonna click on balance and then you're gonna click on coins. And here you can recharge them. So let's see how much is to buy 1,321 coins. That will be $19.99, so $20. But let's see here on the website. So if we click on custom, let's put 1,321 coins. How much is it? Look at that, $14. You see the difference? That's the 30% difference. And you might think that $6 is not a big difference, not a big deal. It's not worth going to the website and buying it there. Well, first of all, you can also do that on your phone, okay? You just go to Chrome and go to tiktok.com/coin and you can buy it there. You don't even need a computer. But also, $6 difference, a 30% difference could be the difference of having a positive ROI, having a good ad cost of sale compared to just wasting money on ads. And look, it's telling us that we can get for $100, 6,600 coins. Let's see how many coins we can get for $100. We can get 9,500. You see? Well, 30% more. That was expected. So let's go ahead and recharge. So we're gonna buy those $100. All right, the payment is complete. Now let's go to our TikTok account and see if this has updated. See, it just updated in real time. Now we have the 9,500 coins plus whatever I had before. So now we can go ahead and use the TikTok promote feature for 30% cheaper. However, this is still not the best way to promote your videos and your products because you don't have that much control over the targeting options, all right? You cannot specify custom audiences, you cannot do retargeting. So, there's a lot of limitations. So I'm gonna show you the way that I promote my products. And it is by using the TikTok Ads Manager. And you can get a TikTok Ads Manager account if you make a TikTok for Business account. And the advantage is that you can create ads and specify a lot of things. You have a lot more control. You can go with simplified mode or you can go with custom mode. So let's say that you want to go with custom mode so you have even more options. Now you can make ads for reach, for consideration, including traffic, video views, community interactions. I never use those. I never use reach as well because I'm trying to sell products. If you're trying to do something else, then maybe this consideration or awareness campaigns might work for you. But for me, I always either choose website conversions or product sales that I get directly from my TikTok shop. If I am driving traffic to my website to get conversions on my website, I will choose website conversions. So let's say, for example, that I want to promote TikTok shop ads. You just click on that, select TikTok shop, click on continue. In here, you select your shop. And then here's the magic. You have so many more targeting options. First of all, you can create your own audiences. For example, you can create an audience of people that have viewed your product but haven't bought in the past 14 days. This will be useful if you want to create a retargeting campaign. Also, you can create lookalike campaigns, and I have videos on my channel showing you how to do all of these custom audiences, retargeting. Just search for them. I have everything well documented. You also have some demographic options. You have the ages and the gender, the locations. You can choose languages, and you can even choose devices. Like, are you gonna target only iPhone users, or are you gonna also target Android users? You can select the connection type, you can select a lot of stuff. But also, instead of only being able to target specific interests that are extremely broad, you can target also behaviors and hashtags. So for example, for my activewear brand, I want to target people that like to work out. So I just put here workout, and look, there's this interest: home workouts, workouts at home, dance workout, workout planner, all of those. So let's select it. Now you can also choose other things, for example, exercise and fitness as an interest. And let's also target people that had interactions with cardio hashtags. So let's put cardio, and here, look at all the hashtags that we can target. You see, hashtag interactions, cardio routine, cardio trap, all of that. So yeah, you have a lot more control. And you can even use the videos that you already have on your TikTok organic account. You just have to select your TikTok account here on the identity section, and then you can click on TikTok post, and it will load all of your TikTok videos, and you can just select it and confirm. And that's it. And you can add as many as you want. You can also upload videos that you have on your computer, right? But this is a lot simpler. These are called Spark ads, and it's pretty good because when someone watches your ad, they will still see, your profile there. And if they click on your profile, they will see all of your other videos. They can follow you. They can also leave comments. So, super simple, and it performs a lot better. So in my opinion, that is the best way to advertise on TikTok. And I'm going to leave a link in the description to a special deal that TikTok for Business is having right now, where you can create an advertiser account and they will give you an incentive. So basically, if you spend $100, they will give you $100 for free. $500, they will give you $500, up to $1,500, that they will give you $1,500 for free. So basically, instead of like the other way, you pay 30% more, basically, if you do it through here, you pay 50% less because they just double whatever you spend. Now, I don't know how long this promotion will last, but I will keep the description of the video updated in case that this promotion goes away and there's a new promotion. Now, if you want to learn how to create ads that convert and make you money, check out this video where I show you some of my strategies. And I have a bunch of videos about TikTok and TikTok ads on my channel, so subscribe if you like this kind of content. Thank you. I'm out.